have Mr. Kumar from Excel with us, and I want to thank you for his time. Thank you so much for being here and being an enthusiast for that matter. Well, what's your take on a platform which is created, which is the National Research Conference 2018? What is your view on it?
See, I mean, research has been one thing which has been there for very, very long time now. And I feel, I mean, without research, it's really difficult to go ahead. And one more point I add to it, the research has to be authentic as well as ethical. To take this forward, I mean, Excel India has been into this field of research publications for quite some time now, and we top the list in the national scenario as on date. Over a period of time, the research has been changing. Earlier, it used to be like, I mean, the period used to be very long for the research. With the advent of the technology and all, now the research has come to a stage where many data are available readily. So that means the research that used to take many years earlier, that is happening, the time span has shortened now. And thanks to the, I mean, everything digital, that has helped the research, that has helped the publication on time. For example, for this particular conference itself, whole of the publication process, we were able to do it in less than 10 days time. Wow. Start to finish and delivery as well. That is the reason you are able to see the book in hand. So digital has helped all across in the research and in the research publications as well as the delivery module.
So what do you think such platforms should be encouraged, and what is the outcome or the benefit that the people around, the academics or the marketeers reap out of it?
See, I mean, when the country is going digital, the whole world is going digital, there are pros and cons of it. I see more of pros in this, right? Whatever was earlier not possible, that has become possible. Research, when it is kept within the shelves, that has got no meaning at all. The research that has to be disseminated at different levels, and that is the reason for these conferences. Wow. So, I mean, we have been associated with ASMA as well as SIBM for quite a few, almost a decade.
Wow. Any views, any thoughts for FMA and ASMA for that matter?
ASMA, it's, I mean, I'm seeing, I mean, many enthusiastic people in ASMA. I mean, both from the academia side as well as from ASMA side. So this, I have been feeling, I have a personal feeling, this is going to go a long way. Now there is a fusion of research, fusion of academia, and fusion of the digital technology that will take all of us to places.
Well, thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you all. See you around.
Thank you.
And some more conference that will happen, and we'll see you around being a part of it.